Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of wall painting design ideas, and we have something truly exciting to share with you. 3D wall painting designs that are said to be a major trend in 2023. If you are looking to elevate your home decor and create a stunning visual impact, you are in for a treat. In this video, we will explore 3 captivating 3D wall painting design ideas that will transform your space into a work of art. Let's get started. The first design idea revolves around creating the illusion of depth on your walls. Imagine walking into a room and feeling like you are stepping into another dimension. With 3D wall painting, you can achieve just that. Think about designs that mimic open windows, secret doorways, or even lush landscapes that seem to extend beyond the wall. This technique adds a sense of intrigue and expansiveness to your space, making it feel larger and more dynamic. Geometric patterns and optical illusions are another fantastic way to embrace the 3D wall painting trend. Think about bold, symmetrical patterns that seemingly pop out from the wall, creating a mesmerizing effect. Whether it's a hypnotic spiral, a mesmerizing checkerboard, or captivating labyrinth, these designs play with perspective and challenge your perception of space. Geometric 3D wall paintings are perfect for adding a contemporary and artistic touch to any room. Nature-inspired murals are a breathtaking way to bring the outdoors inside. With 3D wall painting, you can create stunning landscapes that transport you to serene forests, tranquil beaches, or even lush jungles. Imagine waking up to the sight of a cascading waterfall on your bedroom wall or enjoying a meal in a dining room surrounded by a breathtaking mountain vista. These murals not only add visual interest but also evoke a sense of calm and serenity. That you are excited about these 3D wall painting ideas, let's talk about how to choose the right design for your space. Consider the style and ambience you want to create. If you are aiming for a modern and minimalist look, geometric patterns could be the way to go. For a more whimsical and playful atmosphere, opt for nature-inspired murals that spark your imagination. When it comes to executing these designs, it's essential to consider your skill level and the complexity of the design. While some smaller designs might be achievable as do-it-yourself projects, intricate and large-scale 3D wall paintings often require professional assistance. Hiring a skilled artist ensures that the design is flawlessly executed and truly brings your vision to life. The materials used for 3D wall paintings can vary. Some artists use acrylic paints, while others use specialized techniques and materials to achieve the desired effects. It's important to discuss materials and maintenance with the artist to ensure the longevity and durability of the design. And there you have it, 3 captivating 3D wall painting design ideas that are set to take your home decor into the next level in 2023. From the illusion of depth and geometric patterns to nature-inspired murals, these designs offer endless possibilities to transform your space into a breathtaking masterpiece. Remember, with the right decision and professional help, you can create a visual experience that is both stunning and unique to your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more innovative home decor ideas. See you in the next video.